Welcome to the journey of Mars helicopter Ingenuity, an incredible first powered flight on another planet. Our story begins with a small, robotic helicopter, known as Ingenuity, nestled aboard the Mars 2020 Perseverance rover. Upon landing, this mini chopper was deployed, set to make history by achieving the first powered flight on another planet. The mission? To test powered flight in Mars' thin atmosphere, where lift is hard. The result? A massive success. Ingenuity didn't just fly, it soared, proving that powered flight is possible in the thin Martian atmosphere, forever changing our exploration strategies. Ingenuity's success paves the way for future aerial exploration of Mars, offering a new perspective beyond rovers and satellites. Join us as we delve deeper into the remarkable journey of Mars helicopter Ingenuity, a true testament to human innovation and determination.